Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the Sunken Walls teleporter in Abyss Roblox. So if you're tired of swimming 4 miles just to reach the deep zones, the Sunken Walls teleporter is the ultimate shortcut you've been looking for. And it's tucked away in a tricky spot, but once you unlock it, your farming and exploration speed is going to skyrocket. So first, for the starting point, you need to head into the spirit roots. It will make it easier for you to reach the teleporter in the Sunken Walls. And after that, you can just follow my path in here. So let's go out first. Then you can just go straight up and go left until you pass this spirit trees, and you can just go straight from here and you'll see the Sunken Walls sign, so you can just follow that. And let's go down little by little like this, and you'll spot some trees on the left, so you can just go straight still. Okay, and you'll see, basically you'll spot it right away. Here, this is the teleporter inside the entrance, so you can just go down again. Okay, it's a critical depth for me, but let's go inside, and you'll be arrived in the Monkey King's lair. And after that, you'll find the teleporter on the right. So once you unlock it, you can just use the teleporter to go to the Sunken Walls easily. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks.